Okay, back in the truck, back at it. Ya estamos aquí otra vez, listo a recoger carros. All right, out here in Lafayette, Colorado. Look at the weather. Colorado's always getting that way. Siempre es así en Colorado, que el tiempo puede ser bonito así, y luego se cambia así. It can be beautiful like over there, and then it gets ugly like over there. Out here in Boulder, Colorado. Aquí estamos en Boulder, Colorado. Mira nomás qué hermoso está aquí en Colorado. Look at how beautiful it is out here in Colorado. Back here, still in Denver, actually in Brighton now. The thing I brought for the truck, what I brought my trailer for last week to get fixed, they fixed it not very well because we're back here getting it fixed again. Yeah, I got this truck going off. The check engine and that stop engine now light are on. I checked the oil, checked the antifreeze, everything's good. I'm not sure what's going on with it. We're out in the middle of nowhere, New Mexico. Middle of nowhere. Look at this dark. And this truck, esta troca, la norteña está quebrando. Hay algo mal. So vamos a ver si podemos tirar what the problem is. See what the problem is with the truck. Darn it. Vamos a ver. Up here at the Twin Arrows Casino, this is where I made it to last night with this bell that kept on going off. Ding, 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 ding. Very annoying. But I'm here. No solutions because the shop can't get it in until tomorrow. So I think I'm going to drive to Phoenix, 2.5 hours away with that darn noise. Hopefully it makes it. We'll see. And that ends up being that it's this sensor right here for the radiator. It thinks the radiator is low on coolant. So he's just got to change that sensor, and that should be it, and I'm out of here. Super huge big shout out to Velocity Truck Centers over here in Flagstaff, Arizona. Man, these guys were awesome. They got me in. They, I'm not gonna say they bumped anybody, but they got a tech out here to check my truck. Something very simple. They got it fixed. It was under warranty, and I'm out. I'm back on the road. Out here in Phoenix, I'm gonna deliver este Passat, the Volkswagen Passat. Big street, man. This thing is a piece of junk. The engine blown. Tira humo everywhere. Let's get it down. Let's roll. Let's go. Okay, ya dejé la Jetta. Ya me pagaron. So ahora me toca dejar. I gotta leave the Ford Explorer. Este carro blanco, this white car, here in Phoenix. And then everything else goes to LA. Vámonos, let's roll, let's go. All right, dropped my last 2 cars for Arizona in Mesa, Arizona. Over here going by downtown Phoenix. On my way to LA area, going to Fontana tonight to sleep. It's about 5 hours basically away. So got a lot of driving to do, but we got to drop and pick up cars tomorrow to get to Lubbock, Texas. Vámonos, let's roll, let's go. I always think this underground tunnel over here in Phoenix is pretty cool. Okay, out here in Los Angeles, California, Granada Hills out here. Going to pick up my last car for tonight. So aquí andamos, aquí in Hollywood, California, going to downtown LA. All right, we're getting right here to Los Angeles, mero Los Angeles downtown. Odio venir a Los Angeles a recoger carros aquí in downtown. I hate coming here, it's dirty, está sucio, mucha gente loco. bien apretado, it's dirty, crazy people. It's all tight, hard to get around. Here, waiting for the customer, aquí, right by downtown. Mira toda esta basura that's here. Botellas de pipí. Look at this. Toda esta basura. Look at all this trash. The port before used to be a clean place. I've never seen it like this. Right out here by Lake Havasu City, there's the water right there. People out there having fun in their boats going over the Colorado River. Look at this, what beauty, amazing. And what's more amazing is that when you get over here, you cross into Arizona, which is right over here, and you can finally drive a decent speed like 70 or 75 and not the 55, 60 like California. Anyway, scales should be closed, which is good. And today is shower day. No me ha bañado en como 4 días. I haven't taken a shower in like 4 days. So today is shower day. Aquí estoy junto a Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Qué hermosa está ahí el agua. La gente está teniendo buen tiempo. Look at this Arizona right here, baby. Aquí estamos llegando a Arizona. Pero ahora es shower day. Me toca bañarme. Y no es que no me gusta bañar. It's not like I don't like to take a shower, but we're always parked where there's no showers. Siempre parqueamos donde no hay showers, donde no puedes bañarte. Es que en la ciudad grande no hay truck stop cuando te metes en la mero ciudad. So, you know, when you go into the city, like deep into the city, there's no darn truck stops. So, you know, we're always working, we're always sweating, pero ahora me toca bañar. Pero mira nomás, qué hermosa. Ok, aquí estamos, we're getting right here, estamos llegando ahorita aquí a la scale de Arizona. Mira nomás, está cerrado, baby, it's closed. Trucks bypass way station, that's a beautiful thing, you got the let's roll, let's go. Anyway, there's a DOT, but it's closed, these roads suck. Man, they're gonna shake everything out of me. Anyway, let's roll, let's go, vámonos, baby, vámonos. Ok, aquí estamos llegando a Pride para bañarme. Creo que esta gente se descompuso su carro. No bueno por ellos, pero ni modo. So déjame ver dónde voy a ponerme, a estacionarme. Pues donde siempre me pongo, hay gente ahí. So mejor me voy a parquearme ahí atrás. Ok, we're here at Pride. Ya llegamos aquí a Pride, me voy a bañar. La cosa bueno ahorita con las aplicaciones es que antes cuando quería shower necesitabas entrar, pedir un shower y esperar, no sabía cuánta gente hay. Ahorita ya con las aplicaciones puedes pedir el shower de tu teléfono y te va a avisar when you can go in there. Before, when you wanted to take a shower, you have to go in there, you have to go to the counter, you have to ask for a shower and then wait. You never know how long you have to wait. Sometimes it could be 10 minutes, it could be 2 hours. But now with the applications here, you know, the apps, you can just go online, the app, press shower, and it tells you if there's one available. If not, it tells you when. Alright, out here on 40, climbing up the mountain to get to Flagstaff, and I believe my engine fan right there, I don't think it's working, because when I start to climb, my temperature starts to get hot, really quick when I got the air conditioner on. So I turn on the fan and it's not cooling down, which it's supposed to. So I got the air conditioner off right now. It's freaking hot, but that's all right. And I want to get to the top of this mountain without overheating my truck. Then I'll get that fixed when I get to Denver. You just got to figure stuff out on the fly when you're working out here. If not, once something can happen, you're gonna be stuck somewhere. So, I'm gonna this road. Let's go.